Alright folks, Nat 1971A here with a attempt at replicating Edwin Gray's system. Let's see. Now, this is as close as I've gotten with replicating this particular circuit. And what I've done is I've built a really dodgy built commutator down there. You can see it's sparking. It then goes to a diode here. Then goes as per the Edwin Gray circuit. So I'm using tungsten welding rods here, jumping to a PC power supply case I've used before in a previous experiment. Seems to like it. And anyway, that case here is connected to this trifollow wound coil, which is powering this neon, so I can see what's going on. And the voltmeter, we can go zoom in on that. It's going all over the joint. It's set on the 500 scale. The other one here is, I think it's off scale. I can't quite make it out. The lights here aren't good enough. This is very interesting. I haven't gotten this far at all. I'm sort of cheating at the moment. I'm using a AC fan as my commutator. You can see that. There's sparks being generated there. So whether this is right or not, it appears to be doing what Edwin Gray described. Now, I've just got to get the motor to work. So I'm curious to know whether the batteries are charging up or not. What I've got is 36 volts, pretty much running a Bedini Imo-type hybrid type circuit, which then pretty much identical to what Gray was doing. Produced by the Renk